Hey folks, my name is Adrian. I'm one of the founders of Cademy, and today I'd like to give you a demo of our Gmail feature. Now, we've noticed that a lot of our course providers list their courses all over the place, so on all sorts of different platforms. They might have their own booking system that they don't want to switch with ours. So that adds a lot of overhead and a lot of challenges for them to maintain the number of spaces and just to keep their bookings in a single place. So to solve that, we've decided to build an integration into Gmail, the most popular email provider out there. So how this works is that you click on the Gmail app card in the app section of the admin, and you can click on the install button, and it'll take you to your Gmail authentication page. If you have more accounts, they're going to be listed here. If not, they're going to be prompting you to log in. I'm going to pick the account that I want to essentially authorize the app for, and I'm currently seeing a warning that Google hasn't authorized this app. So this warning, if you're installing this and you're seeing this, it means that Google is still reviewing our application and it still hasn't approved it. It might take a few months, but we can allow up to 100 users to start using the app before they approve it. So if you want to still use the app before they have the chance to authorize the app, you can do that. Click on the advanced section, on the advanced link, click on, go back to Cademy, and now I'll be able to allow the installation. There we go. Once you install the app, bookings from other platforms like Eventbrite and Craftcourses will be brought over to Cademy automatically. Here's how it works. I will just go into a course that I have on Eventbrite. I'll click on one of the dates and choose spaces, checkout, and just place a booking. Boom, one booking is done. I'll do a second one just to confirm something, to show you another interesting thing that we've done here. Select date. I'll pick any of the dates here. Okay, so a couple of minutes later, we see that there's two records here on the back of the bookings that I've just made on Eventbrite. One was successful, and if I look at here, you can see that it's brought over the booking from Eventbrite, and it matched it to the right course based on the name of the course, and it even matched the date according to the date on Eventbrite side as well. So if I click here, I will see that it's got this booking brought over. And when I click on the booking, it's going to show that it's imported from Eventbrite. So I have a record of that happening as well. So I know where this booking is coming from. And the number of spaces for that date has adjusted accordingly. So I don't have to keep the dates up to date manually. Now, if I go back to my imports, I'll see that one of these has failed. Now, if I click on here, it's going to show that the reason for fail, it was not possible to find the date. So if I was to go back onto that course that I have, you can see that I don't have a date. I think I've picked 19th at the point when I was booking. There's no date for that here. So I'd have to go in and pick a date or add in a date to my class that is the appropriate date to match for. And when I am in the booking sheet, I'll be able to pick my course manually and just select the right date from here to fix the issue. So when I click on Fix Import, what that's going to do is actually match it up correctly. So that's pretty much it. Now when I go into that booking, I'll be able to see that the booking has been created, the number of spaces for the 19th has been adjusted, and it's all, any future bookings that I'll have for the 19th will automatically come into this date as well. I hope this makes sense. If you have feedback, if you'd like to see other email clients, or if you want anything else from this feature, like adding other platforms or something like that, let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much and take care.